Hi homeschoolers! Welcome to Homeschooling PNZ. And itong video na to, I'll just want to share the number one tip that I received from a fellow homeschool mom na naging malaking tulong sa aming homeschool journey. Especially multi-level yung mga kids, iba't ibang edad, iba't ibang level sila. Okay? So yung tip na na-receive ko from a fellow mom, sabi niya sa akin, is to allow them to learn on their own. Okay? So, maging independent sila pagdating sa pag-aaral. Ayan. So, ayun. Sinimulan ko yun sa panganay namin. So, by grade 1 siya nung dumating yung bunso namin. So, nahirapan talaga ako pagdating sa pagtuturo kasi wala na talagang time para bigyan siya ng pansin, no, sa pag-aaral niya. So, nabuwasan talaga yung time namin. So, hirap ako. Kaya nung binigay sa akin yung tip na yun, nung another mom, sabi ko, sige, let's give it a try. So, that's what we did. Okay, so, unti-unti, pinakawalan ko siya na mag-study on his own. Kaya nag-focus ako on reading ng mga bata. Kasi pag marunong sila magbasa, kakayanin na nilang basahin yung mga lessons nila. So, pag nabasa na nila yung lessons nila, and if they have questions, yun. So, pwede nila akong lapitan for their questions. So, yun ang ginawa namin. And true enough, it really helped us in our journey kasi less na yung time for me to do a one-on-one with them. And at the same time, matuturuan mo sila maging independent, matuturuan mo silang mag-figure out ng things on their own, mag-problem solving, mag-organize, mag-schedule ng mga lessons nila. So, ayan. So, malaking tulong yung tip na yan from a fellow homeschool mom. So paunti-unti lang. Hindi naman kailangan biglaan yung maging transition nyo. Especially for younger kids, kailangan pa talagang tutukan yun. Pero pagdating ng mga grade 3, grade 4, ayun, pwede nyo na silang unti-untiin na i-guide na magkaroon ng independent learning, no? So, it would help them develop their self-esteem na kaya nilang gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. And yun mismo yung habit nila ng pag-aaral, madadala nila hanggang sa pagtanda nila. Kahit ba di na kayo mag-homeschool, madadala nila yun sa kanilang pag-aaral. I hope that would help you too if you are homeschooling multi-level children. Try ninyo na develop yung mga kids nyo to learn on their own. So, simula, syempre, mahirapan kayo kasi hindi pa sila sanay. Siguro, kung before you go one-on-one with them per subject ng, let's say, 20 minutes a day, gawin ninyo like 15 minutes a day na lang na one-on-one, and then the rest of the 5 minutes, they will read it on their own or they'll work it on their own. So, ayan. So, I hope that tip would help you. And thank you again for watching. Happy homeschooling!